Are you someone who loves the idea of indoor plants but always forgets to water them? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll share 5 indoor plants that are super low maintenance, hard to kill, and perfect for beginners. Even if you've never owned a plant before, these are foolproof. So stick around till the end, because number 5 might just become your favorite home buddy. First up, the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This beauty has tall, sword-like leaves with unique patterns. It can survive with low light, and you only need to water it once every 2 weeks. It also cleans your indoor air, so it's healthy and stylish. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any cozy corner in your home. Next is the Z plant, short for Zamioculcas zamiifolia, but don't let that name scare you. This glossy green plant is a true survivor. It thrives in low light, handles dry soil, and needs almost no attention. Just place it in a nice pot, water it once in 2 to 3 weeks, and forget about it. Yes, it really is that easy. Third on the list is the pothos, also called devil's ivy. But don't worry, there's nothing evil about it. This plant has heart-shaped leaves and grows like a beautiful hanging vine. It's perfect for shelves, plant hangers, or letting it trail down a bookcase. Pothos grows in both bright and low light and only needs water once the soil feels dry. Bonus, you can easily grow new ones just by putting a cutting in water. At number 4, the peace lily. It's elegant with deep green leaves and soft white flowers. This plant tells you when it's thirsty, its leaves droop slightly. Water it once a week and it will perk right back up. It does well in medium light and even helps purify the air. A peaceful presence for your living room or bedroom. Last but not least, aloe vera. Not only is it super easy to care for, it's also useful. Snap a leaf and use the gel for sunburns or dry skin. This plant needs bright light, but only occasional watering. Let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Just like a cactus, it's modern, minimal, and medicinal. What's not to love? So there you have it. 5 low-maintenance indoor plants that even the laziest plant parent can handle. Which one will you try first? The bold snake plant or the soft peace lily? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow plant lovers. Your journey to a greener, calmer home starts with just one plant. Thanks for watching.